The tool is called Knowledge Valorisation Readiness Level. This tool is born since our work package is centered on policy recommendations. So we tried to support university to acquire, nurture, and develop knowledge valorization. Our aim was to develop an holistic self-assessment tool so that multiple actors from the quadruple helix could benefit from this self-assessment tool. In particular, we decided to analyze information flows, decision spaces, organizational design of offices. Our initial aim was to support legislators to run policy recommendations. Once universities assess their level about knowledge valorization, starting from an intellectual property focus point of view, they can actually delineate the next steps according also to the other universities' experience and the best practices, so that they can build a strategic narrative about knowledge valorization. Our initial aim was to develop policy recommendation, but at the same time the work went on, and we realized that from the easiest way to do policy, that is qualitative questions, we reached a point in which we had a chart. And so we easily developed a self-assessment tool for the university consortium of universities. The self-assessment tool starts from knowledge valorization codes of practice led by European Union, and from that point of view, we decided to expand this structure that starts from actors and the knowledge valorization channels to see how policy recommendation would be implemented for interactions between actors. Once universities assess their knowledge valorization level, they are actually gonna be placed in one of the levels we delineated, so that university can see in a sort of roadmap where they are at and where they will be in the future according to policy recommendation. We thought about, okay, what's the easiest way to do policy recommendation? Actually, it's by leading questions. Questions leading then to a self-assessment tool. We wanted legislators to be supported in policy recommendation for knowledge valorization. Starting from the simplest questions, qualitative questions for policy, we reached a self-assessment tool that actually can be adopted by universities to foster knowledge valorization.